been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that text on your phone? Just a friend, just a friend. Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be just doing basically like a eye tutorial. I want this to totally be geared towards the eyes. So as you guys can see, I already started off with my face and I've done the foundation, the concealer, the powders, and I put the contour and stuff already on and did my eyebrows. But I have a lot of different eyeshadow palettes and I know a lot of people like the eyes more than the face sometimes. So let's get right into the video. I'm sorry guys, my allergies are acting up, so if you keep seeing me go in my eyes, that's why. Well, the two palettes I'm going to be using today is this Fenty Beauty, the Galaxy palette. This was one of the holiday palettes. I had this for a while, I just never used it. It still looked new, still in the package. I've opened it, but I just never touched it. And I'm going to be using this Saharan by Juvia's Place, the first one. And this is what this looks like. I'm in love with all of Juvia's Place's eyeshadow palettes and really pretty much anything from Juvia's Place. We're going to be opening the Fenty Beauty together. If most of y'all haven't seen it, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have seen this palette. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm in love with this palette. I love the way it looks. Even if I didn't think I would like the shades in here, I would have still got this palette just because of the packaging. Have this sitting on your vanity or have it, you know, just put up as a collector's. So the shade names are actually on the back of this palette. And these are the colors. As you guys can see, that's the colors of this palette. So pretty. It has a lot of different colors and shades, like colors that you wouldn't normally go for, or some shades that you would probably like, I don't have that color in a t-shirt. And yeah, they kind of look kind of fancy, like these shades are stuff that you normally wouldn't see in another palette. And these are more of a glitter than a shimmer. So if you guys don't really like glitter like that, then this palette isn't for you. But like I said, the palette itself is pretty. But I didn't even want to touch this, and I might touch this for the one time and get it over with and not touch it again because it's so pretty. But I want to use this because I know a lot of people wanted to see this. I'm just going to throw a look together today because I had not had a plan on a look. Since it's Valentine's, we're going to go ahead and do a Valentine's Day look. So I already have a Valentine's Day look on my channel, but since it's still February and Valentine's ain't here yet, I guess we can do another pink tutorial. Before we start with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and finish the face. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Precious Petals. I'm going into my Morphe 501 brush. This brush is my favorite highlighting brush. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Pixie mist, fixing mist, and I'm going to spray my brush. I like wetting my brush for the highlight because it makes the highlight look so much better. So now we're going on to the eyes. So now I'm going to remove all the oils off of my eye. And I'm going to go into my LA Girl Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to my concealer buffer brush to blend this out. I'm going to this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to use this to set the concealer. In the Saharan palette, I'm going to go into this shade called Zoya for my brow bone highlight. I'm going to take this shade called Staccato, and I'm going to be using this Zoeva Luxe Soft Crease brush. Now I'm going to go into this color called Jamila. And I'm going into one of my BH cosmetic sets. And this is in the number 7. I'm going to take this right under the shade, under this pinkish red shade. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this black shade right here called Chad. And I'm going to line that where I want my crease to be. I'm going to be using this Zoeva Luxe pencil brush. I'm back into my concealer buffer brush with the powder on it just to set this. Now that that's set, I'm going to go into the shade called Fula. Okay, so now that I'm done with this, I'm going to go back and finish this. I'm going to this Rihanna Fenty palette, and I'm going to be using this color Sublime. This purple shade right there. Same brush, and I'm using this side of the brush. I think that this will work so much better if I had a glitter primer on. I've seen people use their hand. Would advise you guys to use your hand. And I'm going to be going into this L'Oreal eyeliner. And I'm going to clean this up some. I'm going into my mascara. And the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going into this eye pencil, and I'm going to be taking that under my waterline to this staccato shade. Now I'm going back into this shade, and I'm putting that on the inner tear duct of my eye. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. This is the eye look I came up with, you guys, and it's different. I haven't ever done a look like this before. A very dramatic eyeliner when I do my eyeliner. So I like the fat version because my eyes are small and they're hooded eyes. So I like my eyeliner to be big and dramatic just to make my eyes pop a little more. And I don't wear lashes, so if that's what you guys want, I just can't wear lashes. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. I hope you guys like this video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.